Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Jen and today we're going to have a little bit of fun with slime.
For this kind of slime, you'll need shampoo, corn flour, a spoon, food colouring, some water and a bowl. Are you ready? Because it's time for slime.
It's time for slime. It's time for slime. Cause it's time for slime. It's time for slime.
Let's go.
24/7 slime.
Hey,
24/7 slime.
hey,
24/7 slime.
hey.
24/7 slime.
Let's go.
24/7 slime.
Hey,
24/7 slime.
hey,
24/7 slime.
hey.
24/7 slime. Slime time is an art time. Slime time is an art time. Lunchtime, bedtime, 24/7 slime. Lunchtime, bedtime, 24/7 slime.
Let's go.
Make it swirl. Make it swirl. Make it swirl. Make it swirl. Poke it, poke it, poke it, poke it. Spread like butter, spread like butter, spread like butter, spread like butter. Stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch.
Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid, and it's special because it can act like a solid or a liquid, depending on how much pressure is applied to it. When we apply our fast and hard pressure, like this punch, it acts as a solid. But if we put our hand in nice and slow, it goes all runny and liquidy. Ugh. Inside our slime, we have some tiny particles of corn flour. When there's no pressure applied to our slime, water is free to move around these particles. But when a force is applied, the particles get locked together and the water can't flow around them. So our slime acts like a solid.
Thanks for watching. I've made a little bit of a mess here, so I'm not going to wave goodbye, but see you next time.
Now, how am I going to turn the camera off?